Welcome to MCA Connect's Voice of the Operator Shop Floor Performance Analytics Overview. Voice of the Operator was developed to enable shop floor operators the opportunity to capture and record real-time observational data from the shop floor. We combine that information with IoT data and store it away in a data lake for further processing. Machine learning is used to identify IoT patterns for predictive maintenance, and all of that data comes back together and is displayed in Power BI dashboards. In addition, we can integrate to a CRM system to issue fixed tickets on demand as required, and all of that information is then provided to decision makers and remote experts to better improve the overall operational efficiency of the plant floor. A Power App is used to capture data from the shop floor and is invoked by the operator. A very simple form and allows them to identify which piece of equipment they're working on, the location of that equipment, and what their comments are about what may be happening. In addition, we can capture a picture of the issue, we can record a sound of the issue, and finally we can save this record and issue a CRM fixed ticket if required. This Power BI dashboard reports on the results of all of that information that's captured through the Voice of the Operator Power App. We can identify issues and concerns on the shop floor by production line, by shift, by issue type, and by reason code. And this word cloud shows us the prevalence of the same words being used again and again. All of this information can be used to better understand the efficiency of the shop floor. The OEE dashboard in Voice of the Operator provides us with a visual overview of each production machine on the assembly line. We can look at their availability, performance, and quality KPIs, and quickly see which machines are not performing to their overall equipment effectiveness potential. As we drill down in detail, we can then observe active time, maintenance time, changeover time, and downtime by each machine, once again identifying areas of concern. Daily production totals can be measured against their targets, and we can also take a look at the number of alerts that are being generated, either via IoT or via service requests, once again pointing to machines that may not be running up to their potential. An overview of historical alerts enables us to analyze root cause issues that may be repeating themselves over time at the machine level. These patterns may not be apparent in real time, however, a historical review will help us better understand how we can best maintain the performance of the shop floor. Each IoT device has minimum and maximum threshold values that can trigger an alert. These threshold values self-tune and tolerances become tighter the longer a machine runs nominally. IoT pattern recognition uses machine learning to assign a maintenance profile. As we learn what each pattern means to the shop floor performance, we can assign a maintenance fix. An alert will be generated the next time that same pattern is observed. As you can see, Voice of the Operator is an end-to-end shop floor solution to allow us to improve shop floor efficiency and performance using Microsoft technology.